This video will combine different verbs and their various uses into one lesson. Expressions with the verb ir. Expressions with venir. Expressions with decir. Expressions with poder. Expressions with dar. Expressions with ver. And expressions with saber. So that is a quick summary of some of the different expressions that are used with these verbs. As I always say, I would very much appreciate it if you can share this video series with your friends and teachers. And that is all for now, so until next time.